Kind of freaking out, to be really honest. And I still have a lot to do with the reason for my delay.
Making our Christmas memories.
Hi, it's Vlogmas Day 3. I don't have a voice, I'm still sick. My nose is just going all the way off. I look crazy. I just got out of the shower, so you know, my hair isn't even done yet. I swear my voice wasn't this bad a little earlier. It's not like 2:30. I'm gonna start doing my makeup. I have breakfast right here in front of me. What's wrong with my voice? It really wasn't this bad when I first woke up, but I really look like I just woke up though. I finished up editing my first Vlogmas to go up live today, and it's now uploading, so that's good. I'm excited about that. I'm not sure what I'm doing with my face today. I was thinking of just doing a super like natural look, aka my natural makeup look, where I just don't even apply concealer, just some bronzer, a little bit of highlighter, and my brows. So I think I'm gonna do that because I don't want to apply too much makeup, but I still want to look like I, you know, like tried a little bit.
It all goes by so fast. If only I can make this last. Always on its way. It's Christmas every day.
So I just finished up on my hair and makeup. I did it super quick. Then I called my mother, which was the reason for my delay. She's talking so much. But I'm trying on my shoes real quick. Then to get your bus in a couple of minutes. I've decided not to go and film a video. I'm gonna do that tomorrow instead, and just really focus on shopping and packing. I gotta pack, you guys. I really got to pack because I'm leaving in a couple of days. I'm now in the district. This is my outfit of the day. This is from, I'm not sure where this is from. Jeans, Primark, Adidas. I'm gonna try these on. I really love this bomber jacket. Oh my gosh. And then this is velvet, so I'm gonna try this on, see if I like it. It's really expensive though, but I really like it. It's cute, huh?
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby.
walked in the room. I'm so excited to be home. I just love the fact that I'm home. Cozy little home. It was a lot of fun shopping. I don't really shop by myself a lot, like actually go shopping. Like if I need something really quick, like I'll go and get what I need, but I don't really like go and walk in stores and out of stores and look and stuff, you know. I don't do a lot of that by myself. So now I'm actually going to prepare to start packing. You guys do not even want to see the floor right now because it looks crazy. All these packages on the floor. I cannot deal with so many packages, all these clothes that I have to pack. So I'm gonna start packing in a little bit. I want to do my nails as well, but I feel like it makes more sense for me to start packing and then do my nails later. I don't want to do my nails too late, you know. I don't want to stress last minute like, oh my god, I still gotta do my nails. I don't want to do that. So I want to do my nails as quick as possible. Look at the mess right there. Those are a bunch of clothes that I need to pack. I don't even have my Christmas tree on. Yay! I'm gonna miss it a little bit, but I'm decorating at my parents' house when I get there. Oh yeah, I took off my earrings, that's why I look so naked. I'm gonna be decorating at my parents' house I think the day that I arrive, because I'm really impatient. I'm not gonna be waiting days before I start to decorate and have a tree in the house. My parents are not decorating yet. I told them they have to wait for me. I'm the Christmas spirit. Like I literally come and I arrive and everyone's in the Christmas mood. So that's the whole point of them waiting, basically. I'm really excited about it though, because I get to decide like what we're doing for Christmas, what's the theme, and I think I want the theme to be like a winter wonderland kind of theme. So a lot of white and a lot of blue, and thankfully we already did a theme like that, just like what kind of did a theme like that a couple of years ago, and I just really want that theme again. I think it would also look really cute with like Instagram and stuff, because it'll have like a lot of whites in it, and I want to do a lot of white. But at the same time I'm not too sure, because I actually really wanted to wrap gifts in brown paper, because I saw it on Facebook, I think, and it was just super cute, and I was like, oh, that would be cute. So then like mix it with wood, but I don't know if winter wonderland and mixing it with wood would look cute. Then again, we have a lot of wood furniture in the house, so we might, but it's just going to be mainly silver, dark blue, like not a royal blue, yeah, a royal blue kind of, and then also whites, a lot of whites. First Vlogmas is ready to go up. Now I just have to fix it. It's now 6:17, so I have enough time to upload this at 7 o'clock, because most of you actually wanted the vlogs to go up at 7, so 7 is the time. So I just finished up on editing a vlog, yesterday's vlog. So it's going up right now. It needs to be posted tomorrow. And then I'm also editing my Huda Beauty video that's going to be posted tomorrow morning. By the time you guys see it, by the time you guys see this video, that's going to be yesterday. I know it's really confusing. I'm not going to use all of those terms because it's just going to be super confusing for me. I'm finally done editing. You guys have no idea. I'm so happy. Oh, I have a sock there. I'm so happy. Those are my Christmas socks, by the way. I got them a long time ago from Primark. They're like the cozy socks one. Really cozy. I'm done editing. Now I'm trying to export, but it's playing games. And I don't know why it's playing games, but it better still be there. I have my 2 videos ready for tomorrow. Just have to post them. Or I mean upload them and then schedule them for tomorrow so they can go live, you know, just by themselves while I'm busy doing my thing. They can just go live. But what I do have to do still is wig selection. I need to figure out which wigs I'm going to Aruba with, and when I have figured that out, I need to check if they need a lace tint, because I really want to tint the lace on a bunch of my wigs to make them look even more natural, because I don't ever do that. I've never done it before. I'm gonna figure out if I can do it with like wash shampoo, like a color shampoo, that's what it's called, and I haven't seen anyone do it before, and I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I want to try to do it because I just kind of want like some tinting to the lace. I couldn't find any hair dye that would work, and the ones that I did see were 15 euros, and I was not willing to spend 15 euros on hair dye because that was just not happening. So if it doesn't work today, I'm just gonna wash those wigs and then style them tomorrow, because I don't want to be styling wigs like a couple of days before I have to leave. Like, I really just want the wigs to just be like done tomorrow so I can pack them already. I'm supposed to pack today, not sure if that's still happening because I still have to cook. So the main things for today that I still have to do is finish up the thumbnail for tomorrow's video so that everything is posted and uploaded, and then wash the wigs, make my wig selection, and just at least get my suitcase out of the kashi, out of the closet, and then open it up and then show everything in that I'm going to fold, you know, at least that. So now I'm busy editing in Lightroom. You gotta fix this picture a little bit, have it just a little bit brighter, as you guys can see, put some grain on it, you know. It's now 11:10 and I still have a lot to do. I'm not even close to done yet. Oh Lord, help me. So I have just decided that I am not tinting lace because it's going to, 1, take too long, and 2, I have never done it and I don't want to do it under pressure. I want to do it when I'm just relaxed and I have all the time in the world. It's now 12, like 1:45, I think, and I am going to wash one of the wigs. I'm not going to wash the curly wigs because I'm not wearing curly hair when I travel. I'm actually going to wear the short hair, and when I'm on Aruba, then I can just like deep condition it overnight when I know like, okay, tomorrow I want to do this, you know. And then if I deep condition it overnight and just leave it there, it's going to be super like silky looking and just super soft when I just like rinse out the conditioner and then just wear the hair wet. It's going to, I don't know, it's going to look good, okay? But for now, I'm just going to wash the straight hair so that I can straighten the hair tomorrow, and also style the short hair tomorrow so that I have a short hairstyle for the next couple of days. I'm really excited, you guys. Like, now the excitement is like really like at its peak because I see all these clothes and everything that I know that I want to pack all over the floor, and now it's just, you know, becoming a reality basically. So I'm gonna wash the wig and then, yeah, then we start packing a little bit. Okay, so this is the closet I was talking about. I need to, how are we gonna do this with one hand? Okay, this is not gonna work. So this is what everything looks like right now. Kind of freaking out, to be really honest. I am really scared that I'm going to be overpacking. Wait, okay, so I'm kind of scared because I feel like I'm going to be overpacking and I really don't want to overpack. I have Christmas gifts in here. I have my new clothes in here that I ordered, and then I still have a closet full of stuff that I want to bring with me that I already have, like my jeans and sweatpants, which I don't think I'm gonna go with sweatpants anymore because I don't feel like it's gonna fit. But everything's just thrown in here, nothing is folded yet, so I think that's also why it just looks like a pile of clothes. So hopefully when I roll everything up and I push everything in every single corner, it's not going to be so much, and then I can take a lot more with me, hopefully, because I'm not gonna go with a lot of shoes. I don't have much shoes, so we'll see. And on Aruba, I really don't wear anything but my flow hose, so it's really not that important to go with that many shoes. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Today was a little hectic, as you guys can tell. I had just a lot to do. It's now 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm still busy. I'm not done. I still have to cook, and then I'm gonna start editing this vlog as well, just so I can have like a little head start on editing this vlog tomorrow. So I still have a lot to do, and I have to wake up early. I have to go to school tomorrow because I still have to go to school, and I have a lot of little shopping errands that I have to run, because I still have to get a couple of things for my parents and for like Christmas decorations, and there's still a lot to do. I'm just happy that I have everything in here right now that I know that I want to bring with me, or at least most of the things, and that I can actually see my floor right now. I'm really happy about that as well. But yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this hectic little vlogmas. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlogmas. Mwah. Bye.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making a Christmas memory.